Have you been looking for a way to be more engaging on social media? If you're more engaging on social media, you can use it to build your brand, use it to build even your personal brand or your company or website. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'll be showing you a tool to do just that. With Engagi, you can engage with customers on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and more, and boost your social media presence. When you get access to Engagi AI platform, you can see a video on the website explaining how to use it. When you install the Chrome extension, you can go ahead and use it on Facebook. As you can see, we've already tested it out on Facebook, and I can say indeed it is a wonderful tool. When you're signing to Facebook and you've installed the extension, you can simply pick a specific post and click on comment. When you click on comment, you can see the Engagi AI tool and you can click on it. You can see the inputs, and take note that this works very well on posts that are purely words. You can choose the type of response you'd want to give. You can choose if you want to include emojis. You can choose if you want to promote something alongside. You can choose the AI model that you'd want to use and simply generate. As you can see, you can copy this and you can paste. Always take notes to read it through, and when you're satisfied, you can simply comment. So as you can see, this works perfectly, and this is all there is to Engagi AI. You can use it on Facebook, you can use it on Twitter, and this saves the time of having to think too much about what response to give to your clients to give on posts. And as you give your comments, people can resonate with that and would want to engage with you. If you have any other question, you can ask in the comment section of this video, because a link to Engagi is in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.